this video, I will show you step by step how you can change your language on Steam account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to change your Steam language, it's super easy guys, and it's simple. All you have to do is you just need to open your Steam account like this and click over here in your name and go to account details, okay, like this. And what you will do next, scroll down and click over here on language, okay, like this. And all you have to do is you need to click over here on language. You have primary language. I'm gonna click here and scroll down and choose which language you want to use, okay. So for example, if you want to use French, you can select French, okay, and then scroll down and click over here on save. And that's it. That's how we can change language on Steam. It's super easy. Thank you so much for watching guys. If this tutorial is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.